Searching for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas Circleville area? If you are looking for an auto body repair shop in Taylor's Circleville area, you have been in an accident. Being associated with a vehicle mishap is constantly an unpleasant experience. Besides the legal and medical hassles that you need to get into, there is another element that requires to be looked after, i.e. vehicle collision repair work. When your vehicle is associated with the mishap, you need to ensure that all the damage to the vehicle is fixed at the most affordable possible expense. To achieve this goal, you require to discover a reliable service center that has a skilled group of collision experts, who can bring your harmed vehicle back to its initial shape. Watch this auto body shop video in Circleville. One piece of strong guidance for all vehicle owners is not to go the cheap path when you have your vehicle fixed. There are many risks that come with subpar repair done on a vehicle that went through a severe collision. For instance, if cheap, substandard parts were utilized, it can imply that you require to invest more in the future for extra repair work. There are many dangers you can deal with if you have your vehicle fixed by a cheap collision center. Quality auto body quotes in Taylor Circleville. The estimate given to you must be authorized by the insurance company. Otherwise, you may need to pay the repair work expenses. Look for a collision service center that is recommended, that are expert and are insured to give you worth for your cash. Quality auto body insurance recommendations. A vehicle mishap is a very frightening experience for any driver or passenger. However, the procedure of restoring your vehicle to its previous condition can give you just about the same experience. Insurance companies, mechanics and claim adjusters can be challenging to handle, especially if you have very limited automotive understanding. Quality auto body equipment. No matter what kind of repair work services you require, an expert auto body shop can provide you with anything and whatever and deal with all the various makes and designs. While a vehicle garage can constantly assist you with outside issues, they likewise have the expertise to handle collision repair work jobs. Quality auto body mechanics. Nobody prepares to get into a vehicle mishap. It ought to be a priority to get the vehicle fixed by an expert and trustworthy vehicle mechanic. Make sure that the mechanics who offer mishap repair work and vehicle services can get your vehicle back on the road securely. Quality auto body near my home. A repairer that offers a warranty on its services definitely shows to be more trustworthy and reliable for vehicle collision repair work. When searching for a service center near you, you must ask for any repair work warranties provided by the center, so that if anything fails with the repair work, you can constantly return and get it repaired. Auto body parts. The vehicle repair work business would check the damage and working of vital parts of your vehicle. If any of it needs replacement, the parts and devices are procured or ordered by the business itself. Certain companies give warranties on the changed parts so that you can get the future issues repaired from the service provider without investing cash. Request the best truck painting. If your vehicle requires a brand new coat of paint due to mishap repair work, you can get it done by specialists who are extremely experienced and bring back the vehicle to the greatest requirements. You require to check the qualifications primarily. You require to get in touch with a dealership who cuts no corners, because you cannot bear any kind of shoddy work. Ask whether the garage offering vehicle services consists of preparation time and offers a quote for whole car respray. It takes a minimum of 40 hours to do the job effectively. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.